Welcome to Beerstories from Beerstory Brewhouse. This video is about how to use nuts in beer. This video is about how to brew with nuts, and there are many reasons why you want to use nuts in your beer. My main reason is to enhance these nutty flavors that the beer already has because of the dark malts. But there could be other reasons as well, just to play around or just to make a more special beer and so on. But for me, it's all about the flavor and enhancing these nutty compounds that you find in some of the darker malts. And it's actually pretty easy to do. You have to use about 100 to 200 grams per 25 liters. I'll write all these numbers in US terms somewhere around here. Start low with beer with low ABV. Start with a lower amount. High ABV beers, powerful beers, big stouts, you can use a lot more nuts in them. You have to chop them up and roast them in the oven. I really recommend you do that because if you roast them, it will enhance the nutty flavors. Of course, also the roasted flavors a bit, but it will enhance the nutty flavors in your beer more than just adding the nuts. When you roast them, you have to roast them for 10 to 15 minutes and then taste them. If they have the right taste, stop there. You can roast them up to a half an hour at 175 degrees Celsius. Also right here somewhere what that is in Fahrenheit. But I always start 10 minutes, then I have a taste. The nuts I put in this brown ale was it was walnut and an almond, and I roasted them for about 20 minutes. And then I thought it was perfect, and then I added them to the beer. So in my beer here, I added the nuts after the fermentation stopped. So I dropped them with a magnet. And I did that because I want to have enough time for a VDK rest. And I also want to let the beer settle. And I don't want it to settle on the nuts that long. I only want them to be there in for a week because walnuts, they are pretty bitter. So I don't want the bitterness from the walnuts to take over. I accounted for that in the beer. So I recommend if you use walnuts, do not use more than 50 grams per 25 liters because of the bitterness. And also think about it in your recipe. There's almost no bittering hops in the brown ale. The bitterness will come from the walnuts. And I used a mixture of walnut and almonds in this beer. So take care if you use walnuts. It's better to use pecan, walnut, pecan nuts, hazelnuts, almonds, macadamia nuts, and so on. Coconut. Use that instead to start off with. Don't start off with playing with walnuts. You can leave the nuts in your fermenter for 1 to 2 weeks. Start off with 1 week and see, have a taste. If it's good there, then keg it, or leave it another week. You have to realize that adding nuts can actually hurt your foam. There are oils in here, and that would hurt your foam. So I also added wheat to my beer to get some more proteins in the beer that can hopefully help the foam stay more consistent and to get a better head retention, even though I added oils through the nuts. So basically that was it. That's my tip on how to use nuts in beer. If you stick around to the end, there'll be a video up here that YouTube wants you to see. I'll be really happy if you follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and also write your comments on how you have used nuts in beer down in the comments. That would be really cool to hear what you've done. So yeah, have a happy brewing out there.